This song is about a mother, just a mother, who sent her 2 children out to play on an ordinary morning, and then heard the bombs fall. This is her story. This song is called A Mother's Call. She was making bread when the sky came down. The whole earth shook and swallowed up the sound. She ran into the street still covered in flour, screaming out their names into the smoke and the fire. Yusuf, little Sarah, where are you now? She clawed at broken concrete with her bare hands somehow. Every stone she lifted was a prayer out loud. A mother's love, the only thing that cut through the crowd. I know you're here somewhere, I can feel you near. Mama's coming, baby, Mama's almost there. Just call out my name, just make a sound. Mama will find you, Mama will be found. A mother's call rises above the rubble and the wall. A mother's call, the most desperate sound of all. Yusuf, Sarah, answer me please. A mother's call brings a woman to her knees, but never stops. A mother's call never stops. The neighbors came and helped her dig and pull. The afternoon grew heavy, dark and full. Hour after hour under a broken sky. She never stopped calling, never asked why. Then a small hand reached up through the gray. Yusuf's voice, so thin but still okay. She pulled him out and held him to her chest, and turned back to the rubble for the rest. Sarah, I'm coming, baby, I have your brother here. He's asking for you, darling, we are both so near. Just move your hand, just make a sound. Mama's fingers bleeding, but Mama won't back down. A mother's call rises above the rubble and the wall. A mother's call, the most desperate sound of all. Sarah, Sarah, answer me please. A mother's call brings a woman to her knees, but never stops. A mother's call never stops. Of dawn, Yusuf sleeping on her shoulder, holding on. Her hand still moving slowly through the stone, still calling Sarah's name into the bone. Some things cannot be written, some things cannot be said. Some things live only in the space between the living and the dead. And a mother's love has no such space. It crosses every line, it never stops. It never stops, it never stops calling through the end of time. Their mothers doing this right now tonight, while we sit here warm and safe. We cannot forget them. We must not forget them. A mother's call rises above the rubble and the wall. A mother's call, the most desperate sound of all. Sarah, Sarah, where are you, please? A mother's call never ever stops, even when the world falls to its knees. A mother's call never stops. Sarah.